Top 5 Best Pressure Washer Gun. Number 5. Giraffe Tools Grandfalls Pressure Washer Plus. Closing the list is the Giraffe Tools Grandfalls Pressure Washer Plus, known for its combination of power and convenience. This pressure washer gun offers a maximum pressure of 4,000 psi, making it suitable for heavy-duty cleaning tasks. The integrated soap dispenser adds versatility, allowing users to apply detergent for more effective cleaning. The Grandfalls Pressure Washer Plus features a comfortable grip and a safety lock for added control and user safety. The 1/4 inch Quick Connect fitting ensures easy compatibility with standard pressure washer hoses. Users appreciate its performance in removing stubborn stains and grime, making it a reliable choice for various cleaning applications. Coming in number 4. Twinkle Star 4000 psi Commercial Grade Telescoping. Securing the 4th position is the Twinkle Star 4000 psi Commercial Grade Telescoping Pressure Washer Gun. This heavy-duty gun is designed for professional-grade cleaning tasks, providing a robust solution for contractors and individuals tackling tough jobs. With a maximum pressure capacity of 4,000 psi, it effortlessly handles demanding cleaning applications. The telescoping design allows for easy adjustment of the wand's length, catering to different cleaning scenarios. The comfortable grip and trigger design enhance user control, while the 3/8 inch Quick Connect plug ensures compatibility with a wide range of pressure washer hoses. Users appreciate the durability and reliability of the Twinkle Star pressure washer gun in handling high-pressure situations. Coming in number 3. MTM Hydro 28 Special PF22.2 Foam Cannon Kit. Taking the 3rd spot is the MTM Hydro 28 Special PF22.2 Foam Cannon Kit, known for its exceptional foam generation and car cleaning prowess. This foam cannon is a favorite among automotive enthusiasts who appreciate its ability to produce thick, clinging foam that effectively lifts and removes dirt from vehicle surfaces. The PF22.2 features an adjustable spray pattern, allowing users to customize the foam application based on the cleaning task at hand. The kit includes a 32-ounce bottle for detergent, and the Quick Connect fittings ensure compatibility with various pressure washers. Users highlight the professional quality foam it produces, making car washing a more efficient and enjoyable experience. Coming in number 2. Active Electric Pressure Washer VE521800 Psi. This pressure washer secures the 2nd spot with its powerful performance and user-friendly design. This electric pressure washer delivers a robust 1,800 psi of pressure, making it suitable for a range of cleaning tasks, including driveways, decks, and vehicles. The 13-amp motor ensures consistent power, while the 20-foot hose provides ample reach. The compact and portable design of the VE52 makes it easy to maneuver, and the integrated soap applicator enhances its cleaning capabilities. Users commend its efficiency in removing dirt and grime without the excessive noise associated with gas-powered alternatives. The Quick Connect nozzles further contribute to its convenience, allowing users to switch between spray patterns effortlessly. Coming in number 1. MINGLE Telescoping Pressure Washer Wand. The MINGLE Telescoping Pressure Washer Wand earns the top spot for its impressive versatility and performance. With a telescoping design that extends up to 18 feet, this wand allows users to reach high and challenging areas without the need for ladders or scaffolding. The adjustable length makes it suitable for various cleaning tasks, from washing the roof to reaching deep into gutters. The wand features a durable aluminum construction that ensures longevity and resistance to corrosion. Its ergonomic grip provides comfort during prolonged use, and the 1/4 inch Quick Connect fitting makes it compatible with most pressure washer hoses. Users appreciate the sturdy build and the ease with which it handles high-pressure water flow,